Hey guys, Glimmery Online. How are you? Hope you're doing great. Let me just check my audio levels here because it's not up on my screen. No, those are my sound effects. Oh my word, you don't want to hear my sound effects. You don't want to hear the sound effects. Sound levels. All right, there we go. Good stuff. All right, guys. Hey, it's Glimmery from Glimmery Online. Today's episode is how to make money on the internet. And this is a guide to becoming a digital nomad. And you're like, Glenn, what's a digital nomad? Well, we'll get to that in a minute. First off, I want you to subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button. Why do you want to do that? Because I put out videos almost every day. Some days I have 3 small children, so sometimes it's a challenge, but I try to put out a video every single day, and it's either going to be a tip on how to do stuff, it's going to show you different programs for making money online, or it's going to be some motivation to get this part, because this is the most important tool that you need to be using online if you want to be successful. So how do you make money on the internet? Well, there's a ton of ways to do it, guys. There's so many ways to do it. You could do there's a company, actually I'm setting up one right now. So right now we're in the middle of this pandemic and it will pass, but it's pretty tight and people are looking for ways to make money. Well, what about you know who needs to be is still working and who you need to connect with? Restaurants, guys. Figure out some way that you can create an industry that can help the restaurants let people know that they're open, that they're going to deliver, that they can take out. So whatever it is, maybe you're going to create flyers. Maybe you'll make a mat. You know how you get those mailers, those packages of mailers? Well, those are more valuable than ever. But right now, we don't need flyers for steam cleaning and this kind of stuff. It's got to be restaurants that deliver right now, right? Because people are sick of staying home cooking or whatever. They're waiting, they're looking for I wish I could order in. So you go call all the restaurants in your neighborhood and say, hey, are you still delivering? Yeah. How would you like to? I'm putting together this flyer. It's going to have 10 different restaurants on it. It's going to be $500 for a slot. I'm going to print it up. I'm going to mail it out all around our neighborhood, right? So you do 10 restaurants. That's $5,000. It'll probably cost you about $1,200 to do it, maybe $1,500, maybe even $2,000 to do it. Still $3,000 profit, right? There's ways like that. That's something that you can do online. You wouldn't have to go in and physically meet them because you would just say, wire me the money or e-transfer me the money. You do the design or hire someone on Fiverr to do the design, and then you could send it to the printer, get the printer to drop it right, or find a printer that actually does mail ad. It's called ad mail or ad walk, right? In Canada it's called a postal walk, and basically it's just really inexpensive mailing, and then you just send them all the things and it hits all the postal codes that you want. Anyways, that's just one idea, right, in this time. But what are people really looking for? People are looking for education. And what's great right now is I've got 4 different offers on. I'm running some Bing ads right now. I'm doing, as you guys know, if you follow my videos, I'm doing a case study in Bing. It's hard right now because it's so up and down. I don't know if it's news comes out and it's all weird, or then I'll have a ton, like my click-through rate is amazing, and then there'll be no sales. I'm like, what? The click-through rate's amazing. It's I've got 15 clicks and they all go because I have it set up on a little funnel, and it's and they've all direct clicked through and no one's bought anything, and then tomorrow it'll be I'll get 3 clicks and I'll have 3 sales. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it all out. It's a real mystery. So hopefully I'm going to bring that. It will be an interesting case study when I bring it to you. So what are people looking for? People are looking for ways to make money online, and they're looking to learn a new skill. And as the internet has become part of our life, right? So before, you would never think that someone would be able to make money by just making stupid videos, right? Like anybody. Before you'd have to have a studio, you have to do all this stuff. And now you can just there's TikTok, there's YouTube, there's Instagram, and there's people just making videos and making money. Because what happens if you get enough people viewing that, advertisers want their stuff in front of your video, and that's how you start making money. For example, to monetize. Oh, thank you all my subscribers. I'm almost at 500. When I get to 1,000, I can monetize my channel. That means before the video, you're going to see a little video. You'll see a little ad before my videos come up, but I'll be paid for that, right? So you can get paid for creating really cool videos and getting subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe, please, because I want to monetize my channel. another revenue stream. And when I monetize my channel, it gives me more time to go look at other more things in order to bring to you. Like, that's the whole thing. But basically, you just start creating content so you can monetize it. Same with on a really good blog. Let's say you love, I don't know, what am I looking at here? I'm trying to. Oh, maybe you like doing paper printing cards, like stamping cards. I think there's a company called Stamping Up or something like that. Maybe you love that stuff, and you like all those little nifty gift things, right? Well, you could do a whole blog on how to make cool, crafty, gifty things, right? And you just start creating and creating. And once you start getting a following, well, you can start running ads right on your blog. And when people are there, they're going to click on it and they'll go through and you will make money, or just by viewing the ad kind of thing. Tons of ways to make money. But what I want to talk to you is about affiliate marketing, because it takes so much of the headache out of everything you do. Because basically, affiliate marketing is you go find someone else's product, and all you have to do is basically what I said yesterday. You point them to that. That company takes care of everything. They take care of fulfillment. They take care of the customers. They take care of anything else. And all they do is pay you a commission for doing it. So it's affiliate marketing. So I want you to join me, because if you're going to do it, you might as well learn from one of the very, very, very best. And right now you can get started for just $7, and you can get into a business challenge where you're going to be assigned a coach. Like, guys, these are like top earning coaches that you're going to get access to. Like the phone number, you get your coach. I went through it. I got my coach. It's all great. And you get it for $7, right? And it's going to be a 15-day challenge. And I want you to go do it right now. You need to do this, because so there's two things that's going to happen. You're going to start it and you won't finish it. You'll be like, oh, I don't know. That seems like a lot of work. Then don't waste your time anymore trying to make money online. Don't. Because if you think that's a waste of time, then everything you're going to try to do will be a waste of time. Because this one is probably the easiest steps to take, and the other stuff is a lot harder. Like everyone's like, oh, I'm just going to run some Bing ads. It's not. It's hard to do. You're doing like hours of research, trying to figure out, going through your keywords, trying to figure out like what's working, what's not working. You know, there's no like magic, like, oh, here you go. These work perfectly together. Boom. Because every ad is different. Words are slightly different. The demographic that you pick is different. I just learned, this is so ridiculous. I was increasing, this is a side note, if you're doing Bing and you're just learning and you're teaching yourself, so I was increasing my bid, thinking I wanted this ad shown to more of this type of people, like this age group and this gender, as opposed to, so I was actually paying, and I kept going, why are my clicks costing more? They're not supposed to cost that more, because I have it manually set, right? So what happened is I thought I was just increasing the amount of times my ad was shown to those people, but it was actually increasing the amount I was paying to get it in front of those people. So just a little thing. So you always want to decrease bids and never increase bids unless you really, really know what you're doing and you know that you'll pay more for that particular one. Anyway, that's a side note. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Let's go. So you're going to click the link below, and let me show my screen. You're going to get this screen. Work from home. How to start a profitable online business starting today. What's inside the step-by-step blueprint on how to create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business while working a full-time job. And if you're home from your full-time job, you have tons of time to do this. You got way more time to research it. If you go back to work, you can still keep doing this, guys. This will be a beautiful passive income that you can do on your own. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the button. When you click the button, you're going to get a video of me. Right? This is me, and it's just like 30 seconds long, I think. It's just saying like, hey, welcome, make sure you do what you're going to do. Now, why is it set up this way? I want to give you some basically some strategy and some philosophy behind this. A couple of things. You come here to this, right? When you click this, that's a commitment, right? You've made a commitment to take one step forward. Now, what happens here, why I put this video here, is because I want you to know it's me that's sent this to you. I could have, right from here, I could have sent you directly to the sign up page, right? So let me open that one up so that you can see. So it might be on autoplay. Let me just, no, it's click play now. Okay, so what happens is, this is me. I'm branding myself, right? The next page, I'm branding myself, but I'm passing you to the next part. This is called the bridge page. Guys, this is so important, and so many marketers don't do this. Why do you want to do this? It's because you're establishing yourself as the connection, right? And that's what you want to do, because maybe they're not going to stay in this program. Maybe they don't want to listen to Dave and watch this video, right? Maybe they're just like, oh, I've seen that guy before, I'm not interested. But what they've seen is that you've been able to brand yourself here. So the other thing is too, when you're here, you have to give me your email. Well, I'm going to give you more information on this product, and I'm going to keep giving you more and more information. In fact, I'm going to give you, I think it's 53 emails. And if you want, you can subscribe anytime. Or better yet, this is even better. If you guys want, like, this is insider, like, I don't care if you do this. You sign up here. Get on my email list. Every day when you get an email from me, whitelist my email, take my email, copy the whole email, and put it into a notepad, right? And then copy every single one of my emails for the whole 53 days. Read them and look at them and figure out what's going on. What's the psychological meaning in the emails that you're going to be getting. Right? Like, go through that. So basically, guys, it's so simple. Right here, click, boom, you go here, you talk to me for a second, right? You go here, you watch Dave, you pay for a $7 program, and you get taught from the like this guy multi-millionaire. Right there, right? And you know what? He was a junkie at one point. Like, it's unbelievable, but that's reality. So you guys need to do it. Click the link below. Now, what does this have to be with being a digital nomad? Well, what's cool about this program is that it pays you every single 2 weeks. Where is my card? Actually, I get paid by a few companies, so I have a few different cards. Oh no, this one I get paid every week on. That's my network marketing company. Sorry, that's the wrong one. I don't know. Anyways, it's in here. It's in here. Is it this one? No. There it is. Right here. Right here. Every 2 weeks, guys. It's a beautiful thing. So how do I be a digital nomad with that? I don't have to be anywhere. I don't have to physically be anywhere to get money off that card. I can go up to any ATM anywhere in the world and do a withdrawal because it's Visa, right? Anywhere that there's Visa. So if there's a place where there's no Visa, then I can't actually do it. But anywhere there's Visa. Same with this one, right? And this is MasterCard. Yeah. So I've got myself covered. So and then I have another one that from another company that pays me once a month. So guys, and I've got my bank card because another company that I have a revenue stream from direct deposits into my bank account. So it just goes into my bank account right there. Anyways, so guys, that's how you can become a digital nomad. Now, I have a family, I have a young kid, my wife, a young kid. We have our in-laws live right next door. Right now, we don't do a lot of traveling because we have little kids, right? But in the very near future, as soon as they're old enough, all three of them, for our grandparents to look after them for a week at a time, my wife and I will be able to go travel, right? Or we can't really hire someone. We'll either take the kids with us because we like traveling with them. We took them to Mexico last time and they loved it. They loved it. They're like, let's go back to Mexico. My 5-year-old keeps going, Daddy, here's my piggy bank. You want to use this money to go to Mexico? I'm like, yes, we'll be going to Mexico soon. As soon as this whole pandemic thing's done. Anyways, so that's what you guys need to do. Do it. Now, if you're like, oh, Glenn, I've tried these things before. Well, don't try. Stop trying. guys, you got to do it. You have to do it. There's steps, and that's all it is. It's just steps. It's like anything. So many people though want to shortcut, and don't. Each step is there for a reason. Just like I explained to you why that bridge page is there. And I know some of you will join this program and you'll make the one page and like, I'm not going to make that bridge page. I'm just going to send them right to the thing. I don't care about branding myself. I don't care about that stuff. Well, you're wrong. You need to. That's when you need to. You need to. And you don't have to be a great speaker. You don't have to be beautiful. You can do it in however you do it. You do it your way. And that's what makes it unique. And that's what makes it special. And that's what makes it real. And that's what will make people sign up under you because you're real. That's the reality. Be real and you will be successful. Don't start trying to be fake. If you're trying to be fake, if you're trying to be someone else, you're trying to do something else, don't. You need to be real. And once you become real and you find your voice, you are going to be so successful, right? But you need to follow the steps. And I'm not talking about half the steps or 75% of the steps. I'm talking about 100% of the steps. Follow them, and you will have success. I don't know how long it will take you, but you will have success, Is it going to be 6 months? Probably. Maybe 9 months? Maybe a year? Does it matter? Guys, it's plan B. You can work on this part-time, right? This can be your part-time thing. Or you can do it full-time, whatever you want. The sooner you do it. Now, here's the biggest tip. Pick a platform that you're going to create your content in. Are you going to do YouTube? Are you going to do blogging? Are you going to do Pinterest? Are you going to do Instagram? Are you going to do Facebook? You need to own that platform. So you need to get so comfortable in that platform because that's going to be where your voice is. I happen to choose YouTube. I tried all the other platforms. I love YouTube. I love that it's flexible. I just like all about it. And I don't have a problem jumping on video and doing a video. Some people do. I would recommend if you want to push yourself, start doing videos. Just start doing videos. Start doing if you're on Facebook, start doing Facebook Lives. If you're on YouTube, do YouTube. Start a channel, do it, right? Anyways, that's what I got for you today. So get the link below, right? Let's get started. I'm here for you. I'm not going anywhere. And you will follow all the steps and you will be successful. Talk to your coach. Tell your coach, when you get assigned your coach, tell them, hey, I want this one to be successful. What do I need to do? And they will tell you, right? They will show you, they will tell you, they will help you, and they'll make sure it happens for you. All right? That's it, guys. Have a great night. I'm glad you're on this adventure with me, and I will see you on the other side. Cheers.